Welcome to the July 2023 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, for RT septic and water systems, it's not just about wastewater. Since 2016, they've installed over 100 septic tanks and treatment systems annually in Sturgeon County. With a commitment to quality, they tackle challenging sites and offer cistern installations, backed by a reliable team and top-notch equipment. Join the wastewater revolution and dive into the world of decentralized wastewater systems in Moortown, Vermont. Meet resilient homeowners taking charge of their own waste stream while saving costs. Discover innovative solutions that keep the town thriving, one septic system at a time. Are your customers worried about the impact of short-term rentals on their septic systems? They should be. Learn and pass along preventive measures and equipment upgrades to ensure smooth operations and avoid costly damages. Read the story behind New Life Christian Church's expansion and the unique challenges they faced in building a wastewater system for their new campus. From large tanks and timed dosing systems to overcoming unexpected rainfall, join us as we explore the behind the scenes of this remarkable project. Check out the latest alarm systems and electrical panels designed to enhance performance and provide remote monitoring. Explore the cutting-edge equipment that keeps you connected and in control. In Snapshot, we catch up with Stephen B. Nelson, president of Clearwater Recovery in Massachusetts. With 26 years of experience, Stephen shares his journey in the industry, challenges he's faced, and his outlook for the future. From septic tank inspections in Florida to licensing requirements in Indiana and efforts to fix permitting delays in Maryland, Rules and Regs covers the updates you should know about. Experience long-lasting performance with blaster filtered effluent pumps from Gould's Water Technology. Designed for septic systems, spray irrigation, and more, these corrosion-resistant pumps feature easy maintenance and a range of sizes and stages. Onsite Installer is for you. So email editor@onsiteinstaller.com and tell Jim what you want to see. Thank you for watching and see you next month.